What's up, guys? This is Drew with What's for Dinner. This is just about your gun swivels for your pressure washing guns. And I've had this ST2605 for a couple of years. And this is an inline swivel. They also do call this, you know, a 3/8 NPT gun swivel. But I'm actually going to use this on my line in between that, because this doesn't have a swivel on this end, but this end has a built-in swivel. But I do have a Mosmatic 3/8 to 3/8 gun swivel, and that is what I'm going to be putting on this gun here. Most guys, they'll put it on the end. They'll put it on the end of their thing right before a D10 ball valve. But I think since I have my inlet with the male end of it, because that's how I prefer it. The other way, it's fine. It's just, this is how I prefer to do it. So I already have this swivel on here. So basically I'll have a swivel on my hose. And then it will also have a swivel that I'll run in between here. And then from there, that will work better for me, I believe. And of course, I'm going to put some Teflon tape and stuff on there. And I just wanted to make a quick video today to show you guys. I got a bunch of new stuff in the mail. And I will be building out my 5x10 trailer soon enough. Still basically in the mobile unit, and I can get further into that later. But yeah, I think that's going to work best for me. And then on the inline, I am going to use it in between two hoses. But it won't necessarily be in between two hoses. It will be on this end here. So just want to show you guys that real quick. These are invaluable. I mean, they'll when you're using the gun, it binds up and you can feel it. Especially, you know, even when you're not on the trigger, if you are on the trigger, all that pressure builds up through the line. So I even got a drains it on the way for my pressure washer. I'm going to get a Cox portable hose. A hose reel, and I was thinking about even getting one of the Tucker reels with the hose on it, but I don't know exactly how that. I know I would basically have to run it backwards from what I'm trying to do. So, and then I've got a little rebuild kit here too for my pressure washer because it has so many hours on it. I'm going to put the drains in on there this weekend. I got some Honda motor oil for it, 10W30. So I lost my turbo nozzle, so I got that. Of course, I'm going to get my little office / workshop and everything all together this weekend, hopefully. I'm actually going to get a new monitor too, but the whole problem is, I mean, I even got like a sliding compound miter saw, you know, to the left of me over here, and got one back over there, and a table saw, and it's all a mess, you know. So trying to get the office together. But yeah, I'm trying to think who I got these from. I got the hose from Tool Barn. I don't know who I'm going to get the Cox reels from yet. I think I might actually just buy two of them, the one with the wheels on them, or I might get one with the wheels on it and one with the not with the wheels on it. And then I believe I'm going to run 150 foot of high pressure hose. And then I've got, you know, 300 feet of, you know, inlet water, just Gilmore hose. But I don't know. I got to figure out the best option for me. But I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks everybody that watches, and thanks to all my new subscribers. And if you think I earned the video, which I need a new, I need a new tripod. I mean, this thing is just not cutting it. I lost part of the pieces. This is how long I haven't made a video, you know, so I'll get back on it, and we're going to start making some cooking videos. I think I'm even going to have some guitar review videos, and that's about it, guys. Again, have a great weekend.